guy is wearing about 7 different jerseys and different colors. Upwards. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to inform this great audience that this very family has attracted his royal blessing, because the #1 citizen of this community is here, talking about His Royal Majesty Dr. Esa Gresenwale JP Agadagiri 1, the Obi of Umrede Kingdom. See this guy. What do you want to do? I hope you are normal. I hope you are normal. Or else we will come and carry you out of that place. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.